Good morning, dear students. In yesterday period, we were discussed about a simple electric motor. It is a rotating device used for converting electrical energy into mechanical energy. In which principle electric motor is worked and how to construct electric motor, and afterwards the working model of electric motor and commercially use of electric motor and definition of electromagnetic induction. It means an electric current produced in a closed circuit by changing magnetic field is called an induced current. Afterwards, Fleming's right hand rule. Thumb finger indicates movement of a conductor and forefinger indicates magnetic field. Middle finger indicate induced current in a conductor. Afterwards, a device galvanometer. And in which ways to induce current in a circuit? By changing a coil in a magnetic field. Second one, by changing the magnetic field around a nearby coil. Let us see what is meant by direct current and what is meant by alternating current. Yes, direct current means an electric current whose magnitude is either constant or variable, but the direction remains the same. Yes, my dear students, what a magnitude is either constant as well as variable, but direction is always remains same. That is termed as what a direct current. It is denoted by capital letter D and C. The source of DC are voltaic cell or a dry cell or battery or DC generator, etc. Yes, my dear students, definition of direct current or direct current means an electric current whose magnitude is constant or variable, but the direction remains same, is called direct current. Yes, my dear students, here only magnitude is constant or variable, but direction remains the same. That is termed as what a direct current. Yes, my dear students, let us see what is meant by alternating current. Alternating current. Yes, an electric current whose magnitude changes with time and direction reverses periodically is called alternating current. Yes, my dear students, what a magnitude is changes with time and direction reverses periodically is called a alternating current. Yes, an electric current an electric current whose magnitude changes with time, and direction reverses periodically is called alternating current. It is denoted by capital letter A and capital letter C. Sources of AC are hydroelectric generator, thermal power generator and nuclear power generator, etc. The number of cycles completed by the AC in 1 second is called frequency of AC. The frequency of AC in India is 50 Hz, which means that AC changes its direction after 1/100 seconds. The major difference between AC and DC is that DC always flows in one direction, while AC reverses its direction periodically. Because DC is termed as, my dear students, their magnitude is either constant or variable, but direction remains the same. But alternating current, whose magnitude changes with time and directions reverse periodically, therefore it changes. The advantage of AC over DC is that electric power can be transmitted over long distances without much loss of energy. Yes, my dear students, advantages of AC is what? It transmitted electric power over long distances without much loss of water, electrical energy. Yes, let us see what is meant by electric generator. First of all, electric generator is termed as what? It is device used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. Yes, used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy, mechanical energy into electrical energy. An electrical generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Yes, my dear students, what is meant by electromagnetic induction? Yes, an electric current produced in a closed circuit by a changing magnetic field is called a magnetic induction, and whole phenomenon is termed as what? Electromagnetic induction. It means a generator is worked on the principle of what? Electromagnetic induction. Yes, my dear students, there are totally two types of electric generator, in which first one is AC generator, it means alternating current generator, and second one is direct current generator. Yes, let us see AC generator. AC generator Yes, first of all, it generates alternating current. Yes, my dear students, the construction of what a AC generator. Let us see diagram. Yes, here permanent magnet is placed. What a in between permanent magnet, what is placed here? A rectangular coil named as here A, B, C and D. Yes, here motion, it means field motion, rings R1, R2 and brushes B1 and B2. Carbon brushes are used here, my dear students, B1 and B2 and one shaft. Yes, let us see construction of AC generator. Construction of AC generator. Yes, an AC generator consists rectangular coil A, B, C and D. Rectangular, not a coil, rectangular armature is placed ABCD in a region of strong magnetic field. The two split rings, it means R1 and R2 both are termed as what a split rings, maintain constant of the coil with the load resistor through brushes B1 and brushes B1 and B2 without moving the resistor, Yes, my dear students, let us see first of all, first point construction. It consists rectangular armature ABCD, rectangular armature ABCD or rectangular armature coil ABCD placed in region of strong magnetic field. It means between the two poles of permanent magnet. Yes, permanent magnet. The two slip rings, it means R1 and R2 maintain the contact of the coil with the load resistor through brushes B1 and B2 without moving the resistor. Yes, my dear students, let us see how AC generator can working. Working model of what a AC generator. The coil rotates, the two rings attached with it also rotate. The brushes B1 and B2 maintains the contact with rotating rings R1 and R2 when the coil starts rotating with arm AB moving up, and CD moving down, Yes, my dear students, it means which direction? Clockwise direction. Yes, my dear students, let us see once again. And coil rotates, and coil starts what rotates, a rotation. The two ring attached with also rotate. The brushes B1 and B2 maintains the contact with the rotating rings R1 and R2 when the coil starts rotating with arm AB upward or moving up and CD moving down clockwise direction, cutting the magnetic lines. According to Fleming's right hand rule, current is induced in this arm in the direction of ABCD, after half rotation, ABCD after half rotation, Arm CD moves up and AB moves down. As a result, the direction of current in each segment changes, giving rise to net induced current in the direction DCBA, in the direction DCBA. Thus, after every half rotation, polarity of current in the respective arm changes, thereby generating an alternating current. Yes, my dear students, what is increased here? Increased by first one, increasing the number of turns of increasing the number of turns of armature. Second, increasing the area of the armature, Third one, increasing the speed of the magnetic field, and last one, increasing the strength of the magnetic field. Yes, my dear students, magnitude of induced EMF, it means electromotive force in a generator, can be increased by increasing the number of turns of armature. Second, increasing the area of armature. Third one, increasing the speed of a magnetic field, and fourth one, increasing the strength of a magnetic field. Yes, my dear students, let us see domestic electric circuit. Domestic electric circuit. Domestic electric circuit. Electricity generated at power stations is brought to our homes by two thick copper or aluminum wire. One of these is called live wire. It means in red insulation cover, which is at a potential of 220 volt with a frequency of 50 Hz, and the other is called neutral wire. It means a black insulation cover which is at 0 potential. These wire pass into an electricity meter through a main fuse. They are connected to the live wires in the home through a main switch. Usually, there are two separate circuits in a house: the lightning circuit with a 5 ampere fuse, it means bulb as well as fan, etc., and power circuit with 15 ampere fuse, it means geysers, air coolers, etc. Yes, my dear students, first of all, electricity is generated in a power station is brought about to our home with the help of what? A thick aluminum wire. Yes, one of these are called as what? A live wire, and another one is termed as what? A neutral wire. It means 220 volt of wire, or 220 volt of frequency of 15 Hz is termed as what? A neutral wire. Instead of this wire pass into electric meter through a main fuse. Usually there are two separate circuit house. Yes, first one is lightning circuit, it means it contains what? A 5 ampere fuse. With the help of 5 ampere fuse, we people are used what? Bulbs, fans, yes, and refrigerator. A power circuit with 15 ampere fuse, what is used there? Electric geysers as well as air cooler, etc. Yes, my dear students. Now see safety measures in domestic electric circuit. Yes, in which first one is earth wire. First one is earth wire. Earth wire. To avoid risk of electrical shock, the metal body of appliances is earthened. The metal case of the appliances is connected to the earth. It means a zero potential by means of metal wire called earth wire. It means it contains what? A green insulation cover. One end of the metal wire is buried in the earth. That wire is termed as what? Earth wire. Next one is, first means earth wire means what? To avoid what? Electrical shock as well as the risk of electrical accident. A metal body is or metal body of appliances is earthened. Yes, second one is fuse. A second safety measure is used here, fuse. It is a safety device. It is a thin wire made of tin and lead. It is made of what? Tin as well as lead. Alloy having low melting point around 200 degree Celsius. It is used to prevent the possible damage caused by overloading and short circuit. Yes, my dear students. What is used here? Tin as well as tin and lead. It means made up of a alloy. Melting point, its melting point around water 200 degree Celsius. At the time it is melt. That's why fuse is used as a one of the safety device. Next, okay, my dear students, in this chapter it means in a magnetic effect of electric current, we all are discussed what is meant by electric field, how electric field is formed. It means electric magnetic field lines and properties of magnetic field lines. Afterwards, magnetic field due to current through a circular loop. Definition of solenoid and what are electromagnets. Fleming's left hand rule, electromotor, electric motor principle and construction, working model. Afterwards, what is meant by electromagnetic induction and Fleming's right hand rule and instrument called galvanometer. Afterwards, differences in between direct current and alternating current.